Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what we got. This tree has got a, I don't know if you can see it, but it's got a terrible bow, especially at the base towards the power line here. Got a shed swing set. But what we got, the excavator backing it up. He can't get high because of the telephone line there at the bottom. But we got a 37,000 pound rope tied to the tractor out there. Just got some pressure on it right now. We done nosed it, made sure that it would go our way. So I'm gonna cut the notch, make sure I got plenty of hinge wood, and we're just gonna pull this one straight over.